Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use 50 megapixel camera and Pro mode on INFINIX Note 60 Pro. Okay, the thing is really easy. All you gotta do is to launch your camera app. You gotta go to the... let's begin maybe with the Pro mode. Let's go to More, and in here you gotta find the Pro option, and when it comes to the Pro mode, in here we can change a lot of things before taking our photo. For example, we can change the exposure value. We have the slider. Of course, the default value is 0. We can also change the saturation. You can also select the automatic option. We have the ISO. And we also have the automatic button. We have the white balance. You can see how colors are changing. If you go to the left side, they'll go for the blue color, and if you go to the right side, they'll go for orange. We have the AF also, automatic focus. And I have skipped one thing. And we have the ME that we can change. Also, in the top right corner, you can change the resolution. I mean the format. It can be full, 16:9, 4:3, or 1:1. And if you want to use the 50 megapixel mode, go to More and click on Ultra HD. We can see that now the 50 megapixel mode is enabled, and when it comes to this mode, it's impossible, for example, to change the zoom level. It's locked, but we can tap on the screen to get the focus, and we can change the exposure manually by sliding down or up. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.